This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Delaney Lepore. Open house, please bring listing printout for gate access, Saturday 2/4 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. and AMP, Sunday 2/5 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. A can't miss property in the desirable gated community of Black Diamond Ranch. This neighborhood epitomizes the best of Citrus County, offering a 24/7 manned gate, a breathtaking entry and some of the best golf Citrus County can offer. This house boasts a spacious floor plan with a large kitchen, granite countertops, large primary bedroom with double vanities/soaking tub, and a beautiful screened-in patio for relaxation. Recent updates include vinyl flooring and updated guest bathroom. Don't miss out on this property. For more information, review the details below or contact Delaney Lepore at 561-354-1700.